Dominus Engineering got started with an idea of developing technology which would remove completely grinding and human intervention from the propeller manufacturing process. We have the technology to actually CNC machine propellers or impellers for naval applications without any robotic or manual grinding. Everything is done by CNC milling machine. Courses that we were able to offer our employees from EOCC were very helpful. Being a small company, we only employ 13 people. If we didn't have this help from EOCC, we wouldn't be able to afford it.
The software we use at Dominus Engineering is very complicated and can be very expensive to get training on. The grant provided by the EOCC helps us stay current and compete against our much bigger competitors.
I would definitely recommend the training we received from EOCC because it helped us sharpen our skills for the type of work we do here at Dominus Engineering. As a recent grad, it helped me understand more of the programs because this is some stuff that's not really taught in schools. So certain companies have different programs and softwares they used. So it actually helped us understand more about what we learned in school, and apply it to real life.
I would wholeheartedly recommend EOCC to any organization. It's been very helpful to us. I could honestly say that if we didn't have the help from EOCC for our training needs last year, we wouldn't be where we are today.